Hey everybody, Brooks from Jack Times here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're playing What's It Weigh. Recently picked up the 765 LT Spider in Napier Green. You probably saw the delivery video already and some first performance testing with this car hitting 0 to 60 in, 2.48 seconds on the street. With the rollout without in the 2.6 is pretty incredible, and that is with the top down. But today we're going to give it a weighing. Now McLaren says that this Spider version weighs about 80 more pounds than the coupe version. Now I also had the coupe version, about a year ago, and I weighed that. Just came in just over 3,000 pounds. I think it was about 3,035 pounds. I ran the gas down to about 1/8 of a tank. This is the equipment we're using today to weigh it. It's a set of long acre scales. You get 4 pads. And then I used to jack the car up, but it was kind of hard to do that. Get underneath there, jack each side up, put the things underneath. But to save some time and make it easier, I picked up a set of these small race ramps. So all we're gonna do is put these race ramps right in front of the wheel and then the pad in front of that, drive the car up, and then we will get the weight. Here's the box, if you haven't seen these already. But pretty much all you have is a digital readout. We'll hook these wires up to each of the pads. You can also use this for corner weighting if you were that serious about track driving to get the perfect balance. Of course, this gives us a balance as well, but because we're on a little bit of a decline with the driveway, I don't think we're gonna pay attention to that. I'm not even sure if it matters, but it might. So let's get the car up on the scales and let's see what she weighs. Pretty simple here. Just take the race ramp and we put it right in the back of the wheel, something like this. And then we slide the actual ramp underneath, just like this. And there we go. Each one's labeled. This one's left rear. You got, obviously, the rest of them labeled as well. There you go. You can see we got the race ramps under each wheel on each side. And now we are ready to hook up each lead into the scale. We'll then zero it out and get the weight. All the leads are hooked up. We are ready to turn the scales on here. Power this on. And that will, let's see if it's zeroed out from before. Yeah, it says all zero. I'm gonna zero out anyways. There you go. Now we just pull the car up about 2 feet onto the ramps. Set up on the scales real quick. Drop in the comments how much you think this car weighs. Again, between 1/8 and 1/4 tank of fuel. Let's see what the numbers are here. I'm guessing like 31 and change. Yeah, there you go. 3,163 pounds for the 765 LT Spider. That is still incredibly light for a drop top, hard top convertible. Now what I am curious is I spent an extra $4,000 for the super light, ultra lightweight wheels, which are supposedly lighter than the ones that came on the coupe. In a future video when I do some tire swaps, probably put some Toyos on the back here, I will get the weight of these wheels and tires and compare it to, go back on the video and see when I weighed the 765 LT coupe regular lightweight wheels and tires. I also like to note that my 765 Spider is not actually the lightest one you can buy. You can get the carbon fiber rear quarter panels and save some weight, but that's super expensive. I think it's about 30-something thousand for that. You can also go with the Senna seats, which McLaren says are lighter than these P1 carbon fiber bucket seats. However, a friend of mine weighed them and they were like within ounces of each other, so not exactly sure how much weight you actually pick up with the Senna seats. Other things, I actually added the 360 cameras to this car. That adds a little weight, probably not that much, but I did not have that on the coupe. All right, so there you go. With the little bit added fuel that I have in this car compared to the coupe, it looks like it's just about 100 pounds heavier than the 765 LT coupe, which I think is perfectly fine considering we got a drop top here. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, helps the video and the channel. Share the video, it also helps as well. And we will see you next video when we get this car out to the track and do some racing. Thanks for watching.